Do you need a modern, efficient, and organized online presence for your small business? I understand the challenges you're facing. Keeping up with the digital world can feel like an uphill battle. Whether you need a new website or a refresh of your old one, the task can seem daunting. You've heard about funnels and CRMs, but understanding how they work and whether they're right for your business is another hurdle. Dealing with tire kickers and prospects that aren't a good fit for your business can be time-consuming and very frustrating. You crave a centralized system where everything is in one place, a system that lets you view your business at a glance, track leads, and monitor your conversion rate. Managing your Google reputation seems like a complex task, and integrating Facebook Messenger and emails into one place sounds like a dream. You wish your staff could access the business phone number and keep records in a shared space. Your current website could use a revamp and a fresh look, but you lack the time and skills, or both, to revamp it yourself. You'd love to have automated email and text campaigns to capture leads on autopilot, freeing you to focus on other aspects of your business. Above all, you feel the fast-paced post-COVID digital world leaving you behind. You need a team committed to your business's online success. You need a team committed to future-proofing your small business. I hear you, and myself and my team have got the solution. We believe in the power of your vision and are committed to helping you make it a reality. We understand that the first steps can often be the most challenging ones, which is why we've designed our exclusive starter package for businesses like yours just starting out. Our starter package is more than just a set of services. It's a strategic partnership aimed at understanding who you are, what you do, your ideal client, and how to niche down to create an impactful presence in your market. Our services are designed to address these pain points and more. We'll begin with a strategy to help you find your ideal client and to manage your prospects effectively. We provide professional website design within a unique to your business funnel housed within a robust and easy to use CRM, customer relationship management platform. We'll show you how to centralize your business operations, manage your online reputation, integrate your communication channels, and we'll create automated campaigns for you, winning you back more time to work on your business instead of getting stuck in daily operations. If you're ready to pre-qualify your leads, optimize your online presence, and leverage a platform that does the heavy lifting for you, we'd love to work with you.